Hey everyone! In today's video, we're exploring the 5 best supplements for beginners in 2024. Whether you're starting your fitness journey or just looking to enhance your health, we'll guide you through the essentials you need. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Let's jump in. Number 1. Endopump. In a world overflowing with dietary supplements, finding a product that truly delivers can be a challenge. Today, we're diving into Endopump, a male health supplement that claims to enhance performance and vitality. But does it live up to the hype? Let's explore its ingredients, benefits, and user experiences. Endopump is crafted to support male health by boosting sexual drive, stamina, and overall vitality. Developed by Dr. Leo Shube, this supplement combines natural ingredients backed by traditional medicine. Manufactured in the USA under GMP standards, each bottle contains 60 capsules for a month's supply, and it comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee, making it a risk-free option for consumers. Now let's break down the key ingredients. Vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects cells and supports immune health. Niacin, a B vitamin that aids DNA repair and improves blood lipid levels. Horny goatweed, traditionally used for impotence, this herb may enhance energy and cardiovascular health. Muira puama, known for its aphrodisiac effects, enhancing libido and cognitive function. Tribulus terrestris. Often found in energy supplements, it promotes sexual health and exercise performance. Ternera diffusa, a plant reputed to increase sexual arousal and stamina. Ginkgo biloba. Known for cognitive benefits, it may also support circulation. Oat straw, valued for its anti-inflammatory properties and mood enhancement. These ingredients work together to boost endothelial nitric oxide levels, which are crucial for healthy blood flow. By enhancing circulation, Endopump aims to improve sexual performance and energy levels, while also building confidence in intimate relationships. So, what do users say? Many report increased stamina and libido after consistent use. While results can vary, the blend of ingredients seems to resonate with those seeking natural support for sexual health. In conclusion, Endopump presents a well-researched formulation linked to male health improvements. While no supplement is a miracle cure, it stands out as a legitimate option for enhancing vitality and performance. With a money-back guarantee and positive feedback, it's worth considering. Just remember to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. Number 2. Nutri-Greens. We're diving deep into a popular health supplement, Nutri-Greens. If you've been searching for a way to boost your energy and sharpen your focus, stay tuned. Nutri-Greens is marketed as a superfood blend, packed with vitamins, minerals, and adaptogens. Unlike typical green powders, it's designed not just for physical health, but also for cognitive enhancement. Think of it as your all-in-one green powerhouse. Let's break down the ingredients. Nutri-Greens features nutrient-rich superfoods like spirulina and chlorella, known for their detoxifying effects. But what really sets it apart are the nootropic ingredients like lion's mane and ashwagandha, famous for boosting memory and focus. It also includes powerful antioxidants like acai and blueberry, plus turmeric to help fight inflammation. It's a blend designed for both body and mind. So, what do users think? Many report enhanced energy levels and reduced fatigue, thanks to that potent mix of super greens and nootropics. They also rave about improved cognitive function, heightened focus, and better memory lead to greater productivity. However, it's not all perfect. Some users mention the taste can be off-putting, and blending it into smoothies is a popular workaround. Plus, it's on the pricier side. But many feel the benefits justify the cost. Want to try it? Incorporate Nutri-Greens into your morning routine for an energetic start, or mix it into a smoothie for a nutritional boost. Number 3. Gorilla Flow. In the quest for optimal health, dietary supplements like Gorilla Flow have gained popularity, especially among men seeking to enhance their well-being. Today, we'll explore the benefits, ingredients, and how Gorilla Flow works to help you decide if it aligns with your health goals. So, what is Gorilla Flow? This dietary supplement is designed specifically for men's health, focusing on prostate health and hormonal balance. Each bottle contains 60 easy-to-take capsules, perfect for daily routines. Let's dive into the main benefits. First, Gorilla Flow boosts immune function, vital for overall health. A strong immune system is your first line of defense against illness. Next, it supports prostate health. As men age, prostate issues become more common, and Gorilla Flow's ingredients may help alleviate concerns related to benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH. Another significant benefit is hormonal balance. Hormonal imbalances can lead to fatigue and mood swings. Gorilla Flow helps maintain this balance, promoting a more vibrant lifestyle. What makes Gorilla Flow effective? Its key ingredients include lycopene and saw palmetto. Lycopene, an antioxidant found in tomatoes, supports prostate health and fights oxidative stress. Saw palmetto, a renowned herb, helps maintain hormonal balance and urinary health. Together, these ingredients enhance immune function and promote overall vitality without the worry of side effects. Gorilla Flow is available exclusively on its official website, often with promotional discounts. With an average rating of many users report increased energy and enhanced well-being. Number 4. Icaria Slim. Icaria Slim, a revolutionary dietary supplement designed to support your weight loss journey with all natural ingredients. Icaria Slim features a powerful blend of 6 all-natural ingredients that not only promote effective fat burning, but also enhance your overall health. Let's dive into the science behind this innovative formula. The effectiveness of Icaria Slim comes from its scientifically validated components. Each ingredient is carefully selected based on extensive research, ensuring a safe and effective solution for users of all ages. L-carnitine transports fatty acids to your energy-producing mitochondria, boosting metabolism and energy levels. Raspberry ketones enhance metabolism and curb appetite, helping reduce visceral fat. Glucomannan, a soluble fiber that expands in your stomach, promoting fullness and reducing fat absorption. Vitamin B12 and B6, essential for energy metabolism and reducing water retention, supporting weight loss. Green tea leaf extract, a natural fat burner that elevates fat breakdown through norepinephrine stimulation. Icaria Slim works by accelerating your body's natural fat-burning processes, targeting not just fat, but also supporting cardiovascular health and blood sugar regulation. For optimal results, take Icaria Slim once daily. With consistent use over 3 to 6 months, you can expect safe and sustainable weight loss along with increased energy and improved well-being. Ready to transform your weight loss journey? With a money-back guarantee, Icaria Slim offers a risk-free opportunity to embrace a healthier you. Explore its benefits today and take the first step towards confidence and vitality. Number 5. Fast Brain Booster. Memory loss and cognitive decline are becoming increasingly common, especially among the elderly. Studies show that nearly 1 in 2 individuals over 65 experiences some form of memory impairment. This decline can severely impact daily life. With limited effective treatments available, many are turning to natural alternatives like Fast Brain Booster. But does it really work? Fast Brain Booster is a dietary supplement designed to combat memory loss, brain fog, and lack of focus. Its proprietary blend features 14 high-quality ingredients scientifically validated to support brain health. In fact, a study revealed that 265 out of 270 participants reported significant cognitive improvements after using it for several weeks. What's unique about Fast Brain Booster is its connection between gut health and brain function. Poor gut health can lead to cognitive decline, and this supplement aims to nourish the brain while supporting digestive health. Though primarily for those over 60, anyone seeking to enhance mental clarity can benefit from Fast Brain Booster. It works by repairing neuron connections, ultimately improving memory and cognitive function over time. Benefits include regulating blood pressure, enhancing respiratory health, improving gut health, and even boosting heart health. Key ingredients like ginkgo biloba have been used for centuries to enhance cognitive function. As memory-related issues rise, Fast Brain Booster could be a promising solution. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement.